Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix QuickBooks Online login issues, company file errors step by step clearly. To resolve QuickBooks Online login issues, begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you're connected to a stable network. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often help resolve loading issues. If you're using a specific browser, consider switching to a different one. QuickBooks Online works best on updated versions of major browsers. Now, ensure you've entered your login credentials correctly. Double-check your email address and password for any typing errors. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email. Once you've reset your password, attempt to log in again. If you still can't access your account, try using an incognito or private browsing window. This mode helps eliminate issues caused by stored data. If the problem persists, check QuickBooks Server status online. Occasionally, server maintenance can prevent login access. If the servers are operational, consider disabling any browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with the QuickBooks Online platform. Another option is to try logging in from a different device. This can help identify if the issue is related to your current device. If you can log in from another device, investigate the browser settings on your original device. You may also want to disable any VPN or firewall temporarily. Sometimes, network security settings can block access to QuickBooks Online. If none of these steps resolve the issue, reach out to QuickBooks support for assistance. Have your account information ready for quicker assistance. Remember to document any error messages you encounter. This can help the support team diagnose the problem more effectively. Following these steps should help you resolve most login issues with QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.